Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what I like to do is to create videos that I would have found helpful when I first got out looking for treasure. Things like whatever's in this box, hopefully. So I will buy things off of eBay from time to time. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, you know that. This one I paid just over $24. It was like $24 and change after shipping. Now I don't recall what's in it or why I bought it. So sorry, I was fighting with this. So I guess you get to discover with me what ooh, a jewelry lot. I know better than jewelry lots. Oh no, I know why I bought this. In fact, I gotta grab something here and we'll do a comparison. Looky there. Yeah, so I think the reason I paid $24 and change for it is because it has gold in it, I'm pretty sure. Let's have a look-see. Yep. So those little lines in there are gold. And I believe this is Italian. Yeah, look down in there. 586, I think. Yeah. 585. See these? Oh, this one actually says 14. If I can get focus. There it is. No, there you go. Okay. In any case, what's going on with these? There's another one. Is that this is 14 karat gold in the grooves, and then the rest of it is elephant ivory. And it's African elephant ivory, which you can tell because on this piece in particular, see how this sort of cross-hatching? That is what are called the Schreger lines, and those will tell you the species of the elephant that it came from. And these other pieces have Schreger lines, which you can see at different angles here. And especially on the inside. But this is not as nice a piece that they used. You can see you've got some, that bit there isn't as good. This is higher quality, a higher quality piece that they used here. You can see all those lines and that effect and that pattern. But I figured there was 20 bucks worth of gold right here. And I just recognized what it was. And that's where I think after you've been doing this for a while, you go, hey, I know what that is. Found this one at a antique mall for $6.50. And now we have a third. And I figured there's, with the way gold is now, I figure that's probably worth grabbing. And then the rest of it is just fun. We can just try to figure out what else is in here. Shall we? I figured everything at that point, because that was even marked, and I knew it was marked, so yeah, we just have a costume ring here. You can tell because of the split, it's going to probably react to the magnet. No, maybe not. It's a nice costume ring. Nothing wrong with that. That may end up being a magic ring for my daughter. Possibly the same thing going on here. Yeah, being adjustable, that's nice for kiddos. Here we have reacts to the magnet, so that's just going to be plated, but you know, we already got our gold out of this one, so everything else is just a bonus. This is a kind of a cool bracelet, but it's just like steel, I think, maybe plated, I don't know. It's a nice pin. It's got a name on it. It is Avon. Avon really makes nice jewelry. There's a lot of really good Avon. If anyone out there is an Avon collector, I totally understand why you are. Oh, this is nice. glass. Looks like it's got some sort of coating to make it really, really cool. Might be silver. Is this silver? Maybe not. Just pretty. The other thing I like when I'm grabbing an auction like this and I know what I'm getting, you know, in this case I knew what I was getting here, and I knew that it was marked, even though the auction didn't show that, because I knew what the piece was. They're always nice because sometimes the knee can be surprised. In this case, it looks like we just have it's a nice bangle, but it doesn't look like it's precious metals. I'm guessing, yeah. See, the quality here just isn't gold. And that's one of the big things after you've been buying jewelry for a while, you'll find is that the quality, even on like the costume pieces, definitely shines through. You know, this is a nice piece, but it's not. It's not going to be a precious metal. In fact, I think probably, yeah, you can see we have this little sizer in there. I think this is going to be, yep. And then these are probably glass, I'm thinking. They're cold. They're heavy. They feel nice. They're wet. They're really wet. That's kind of, they smell like somebody washed them and then shoved them in the bag. Yeah. But I just think they're glass. Yeah. Just nice glass, but you know what? I'm going to keep those out so that they can, wow, that was very, very long. I'm going to hang that up so it can dry because that doesn't smell great. All right, with that, I suppose the question is, how much gold did we get? I don't know. Did we get our 20 bucks worth of gold or $24 worth of gold? I don't know. Maybe. I'd say it is very hard for me to say without actually taking one of these apart. And I'm not saying that that's not something that might not happen. But these are pretty cool. You know, the other thing too is we've got 3 of them. I wonder if they're all the same size. Should we check? We got our mandrel here. This one, it's about size 6, looks like. Just a little under. This one. Oh, look at that. All the way down to like 8.5. And this one, it's like a 7. I guess they made them in different sizes. I'm guessing the fact that I found 3 of these makes them somewhat common. I don't know, but I find them around. And they definitely have 14 karat gold in there. I think at one point we tossed it on an XRF machine, the first one that I found, just to verify what it was. But it seems like they were a fairly popular form. And yeah, with that, we will finish out this fairly short little eBay video. I think we got a couple nice things. And we got some gold. I think we got enough gold to justify having bought this lot. More importantly, though, I think we got enough gold to justify the gamble on the lot, which is what eBay purchases always are. They're always a gamble. You never quite know what you're going to get. In this case, this is such a distinctive thing. And having found 2 before, I was certain what I was getting here. But I thought, you know, if they can't see that there's a marking inside this, maybe they can't see there's markings in these other things, and it was worth gambling on. But with that, I'll finish out this video. I hope you were able to learn something in the video that you can use to go out and find some treasure.
Like this, I've been comment.